對我嚟講咧，而家最好嘅理財咧，就一定唔係逃避唔理，而係
唔需要話嘅都要睇住嘅。
將個自主權擺翻去自己嗰度。
To be able to join my family for dinner.
我以前都唔知邊個係專家，邊個係 marketing 嘅 noise。
Right now, I think we're dealing with an overwhelming amount of information, like a saturation of information.
正確嘅理財嘅態度唔需要話嘅都要睇住嘅。你最重要就係揾到一個好好嘅平台，好好嘅專家去幫你去做。
You shouldn't be anxious, you shouldn't be worried.
對我嚟講咧，而家最好嘅理財咧，就一定唔係逃避唔理，而係有一個信得過嘅伙伴，好似 Endowus 咁樣咧，同我一齊打理。
一個好中肯嘅專業嘅意見啦，冇個 conflict 佢就全心全意都係幫個客戶達到個客戶嘅目標。
There has to be, core trust there where our incentives are fully aligned to be able to join my family for dinner. That's actually what's most important.
做媽咪啦，去湊仔啦，又可以去打理我嘅 Pickleball Academy。
I have very little time, so it just helps me make decisions a lot more simply and faster.
將個自主權擺翻去自己嗰度，長遠會俾更多自由俾我咯。咁當有呢個自由嘅時候，我就更加可以做到更加多我想做嘅嘢咯。